Hello there, Bobo, the big corner is back. Just this week I wrote about ChatGPT, and I'm putting up now YouTube to explain in summary what is ChatGPT. It was founded in 2015 by OpenAI as a non-profitable organization, all right, with the goal of building an artificial general intelligence, AGI. The company was funded with $1 billion by Silicon heavyweights like Elon Musk, Peter Thiel, and Sam Altman, and many others. AGI is equivalent of a million human that you could hire as co-worker that could do anything you want. Elon Musk left OpenAI boards in 2018 but remained as an advisor. In 2019, Microsoft invested $1 billion alone. In 2020, OpenAI launched Dal E2, an AI art generator. OpenAI is currently valued at $20 billion. And you know something? In just 5 days after launch, on November the 30th last year, it garnered over 1 million users. Instagram took 35 days, and Spotify took 150 days to reach 1 million users. Mind-boggling. Today, we can use AI to write poetry, compose music, write computer programs, solve very hard scientific problems that humans are not capable of doing it. ChatGPT is open to the public free of charge. Sign in to www.chat.openai.com and be registered as a user. Play around with it. All right. Many industries will benefit from the tech, while others could be disrupted by it severely. Google in particular comes under heavy threat. You search Google, right? You get multiple pages of possible answer. You have to find the right answer. You ask chatbot. It gives you immediate direct answer. You know, in 2021, Google search generated 71% of the revenue of parent company Alphabet's. And Google, of course, did not take this lightly. The company has its own chatbot, actually, called Lambda. And that would compromise its own Google search revenue income, right? A professor at the University of Maryland estimates the running cost of ChatGPT at around $3 million a month. And it's free to you. Marketers are already using AI tools to pump out blog posts and social media contents. Software engineers are already using ChatGPT to help write computer code. AI could potentially replace white-collar and knowledge workers with significant job loss. On the other hand, Doctors and nurses spend 40 to 60% of their time on documentation. That time could be better put to better use on productive human patient attendance. ChatGPT is one of the most disruptive events in the tech world. You can say as disruptive as Bitcoin over the monetary system. But it's very easy to use for ChatGPT. Layman, anybody can use it. Tech like Facebook, Google, Amazon will need to get into the act fast before losing out very quickly. The models are trained in collaboration with Microsoft on their Azure supercomputing infrastructure. Right. Basically, a program that can realistically write human GPT, essentially search a massive amount of written text by reading millions of articles and books earlier, and then produce work that have perfect grammar, correct punctuation, and no spelling mistake. While the core function of chat bot is to mimic a human conversationalist, then journalists have also noted that ChatGPT's versatility and improvisation skill, including ability to write and debug computer programs, to compose music, teleplay, fairy tale, student essay, to answer test questions, to write poetry and song lyric, to emulate Linux system. You can talk to the AI like a friend in the normal English and ask to do it almost anything in creating images, graphic, videos, copy text, computer code, all type of writing, including research articles, sales, advertisement, study group guides, including the whole entire book. This is only the beginning, my friend. It can also solve complex problems like writing or reviewing code and suggesting or making changes. Twitter wrote, ChatGPT saved me hours of spreadsheet work today. It wrote a complex sorting script beyond my ability and helped me deploy it. It was like having a long chat with an expert, Excel expert, who is eager to help. He started with code, helped me write a script in Google Sheet. Then started describing the data and everything he wanted it to do. And when something didn't work, he feedback the whole code back to the AI and asked what changes he need to make in order to do it correctly. And it just walking through and did all the changes. It will change the course of humanity. Think Industrial Revolution. One machine did the work of 5,000 people. Now you can think of one chatbot can did the work of how many thousands of people in the industry. A new technological revolution and a massive change that is both good and bad, all right? And it's not just good, it's damn good. It's great. It's amazing for those who jump in earlier and learn how to use it and harness it. It is bad for those who choose to be lazy and ignore it. But my friend, you cannot not know what is it. Okay? Start learning from today. People fear change. It's going to downsize, minimize, and replace. This is what tools will do anyway. They are allowed to be more efficient and effective, but it also diminishes the role and needs of others in many cases. This is what was referred to as creative destruction, in which the creation is new technology to disrupt and replace the old ways. Using OpenAI's Dal E2 art generator, you can create images, graphic, design. You need a thumbnail for social media posts or YouTube video, need a header, an avatar, an emoji. Simply type into the chat what you want. Alright, like you want a 3D rendered floating futuristic castle in a clear blue sky. Boom! This is what you get. A futuristic floating castle in the blue sky. Or you want a KTM motorcycle in a narrow cyberpunk street photography. Alright? Boom. This is what you get. It's wow. Let the imagination run wow. This is just scratching the surface, my friend. All right. ChatGPT is amazing in doing writing. You can use this tool to write all types of things. Blog posts, articles, social media, posts on all types of things, like how to travel to South Asia countries while coach surfing on your sofa, or 5 most important things consideration when launching a plumbing business, or how to increase communication with your child by asking open-end questions and then take this result to make them longer, make them funnier, optimistic, pessimistic, or whatever. You know, already someone maximized the AI. They created a Lensa AI launch on an app built of OpenAI's Dal E2 with just one specific usage. So simple. All right. They built an app with an interface, OpenAI using APIs, and then they allow the user to upload the image of themselves and get back 50 generated avatars for $10. Actually, the user or you and I can go to Dal E2 and do it ourselves for free, but the user has no creativity, has no imagination. They didn't even think about creating an avatar. So Lensa AI offered them this auction with a simple $10, yet at no cost to Lensa because the OpenAI do it for them. Well, Lensa AI became the #1 app store, which generated $10 million in 5 days. The world is changing fast, my friend. We need to adapt, we need to think, we need to find our way. And this can be your opportunity to make a new business. ChatGPT has limitation at the moment. Sometimes it writes plausible sounding but incorrect and nonsensical answer. ChatGPT has limited knowledge of events that occur after 2021. Remember, they learn everything about the world before 2021. Alright. California high school teacher and author Daniel Herman wrote that ChatGPT would usher in the end of high school English. Teachers should be concerned about students using ChatGPT to outsource their writing. There are still many cases where you ask a question and it will give you a very impressive sounding answer that is just dead wrong. It's still going to polish it. Though ChatGPT was meant to ethically or for ethical usage, it can trick into giving instruction on how to create a Molotov cocktail or a nuclear bomb, or even generating arguments in the style of neo-Nazi. I will show you some example. Okay, right now, I think we should not. It's too long now, and I will probably do a second video to demonstrate exactly how you use ChatGPT. All right, by going to the website check.openai.com. All right, it's a ChatGPT generative pre-trained transformer disruptive technology. Okay, so wait for my next video, which I'll run very soon, and I'll demonstrate and show you how ChatGPT actually works. Hope you enjoy today's episode of new technology. Everybody need to know, everybody need to understand. How you use it or not is up to you, but you cannot ignore it. All right. Hope you enjoy. See you next time. Bye bye.